In this quick demo, we'll walk you through installing the CKEditor AI writing agent and setting it up on your Drupal website. I have a Drupal 11 site here. It's freshly set up on the standard profile. Let's get started. First off, we'll need to grab the Composer command from the projects page and paste it into our terminal to download the module. After that, we'll navigate to the Extend page to enable and install the module. Next, we'll locate the Configure link on the Extend page to access the module's configuration settings. For a basic setup, all we really need is an API key and a model. We'll be using the key module for secure storage of API keys. Let's create a key using the key module. This is for storing our OpenAI key securely. I'll copy my key from the text editor, and upon refreshing the page, the key should be available. Now let's select a model from the OpenAI provider. If you're unsure about which to choose from the list, I recommend going with the ChatGPT 4.0 latest. You can choose for a thinking model from the O series, but your writing can be much slower as a result, and more costly. After choosing a model, we'll save the form. The next step involves adding the AI text editor button to our text formats and editor settings. We'll update both the basic HTML and full HTML text formats. Keep in mind where you enable the AI plugin, as the key will be exposed to users unless a proxy is used, which most AI vendors recommend. I'm dragging the button over here. You can customize all AI plugin settings on the format level, though that's more advanced, and we won't cover that today. Now, we should be able to create a page using our AI plugin. Let's write an SEO-friendly blog post about Drupal and how well it is positioned as an AI platform. And there it is. We've successfully created our first Drupal page with AI.